Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup looks, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, makeup unboxings, pretty much anything related to makeup and beauty and stuff like that. I love anything that is related to that stuff. Skincare, hair care. I'm just obsessed with beauty and makeup. Mostly makeup. Today we're going to be doing the October Allure beauty box. Allure is a monthly beauty subscription. They did up the price this month. I don't know how I feel about it. I haven't opened it yet. It went from $15 to, I believe, $23. I'm not for sure. I will look it up and put it down in the description box below. But I do think it is $23. And you're supposed to be getting 2 to 3 full-size products now. But here is the new box. Normally we get the box with the lid you pop up. So they did like redo it. So this time we're supposed to, you know, because of the price increase, we are supposed to get like more. But normally I think we do get 2 to 3 full-size products. Okay, so here is the new inside of the box. From the beauty experts. I do think they are experts. They run the Allure Beauty magazine. But I think they kind of research the beauty stuff before they send it to us. And it seems like it's like they know what they're talking about. So we always get a little magazine to tell us what's in here. Sometimes we get a promotion on the back. And it will tell us like prices and stuff like that for the full size items. And the, like, if your sample was full size. The new company, Tropica C. This is a net weight of 0.49 ounces. It is 15 grams. This is fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines, plus smooths, and it brightens and it antioxidate. We make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet. Using the best in nature plus science. Okay, so this is a vitamin C. I got that. Is activated. Okay. Potent powder vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skins. You give it 2 to 3 shakes, blend into a moisturizer serum or water, applied to clean, dry skin daily. And it's made in the US of A. Okay, I do like the bottle. It's kind of like an antique bottle. It's like that brown glass. I guess it's glass. Yeah. Okay. So, my lid came off pretty easy for some reason. And normally, something like this has like a safety plug. I don't know. Surely it ain't been used. So, which I did say put it in the palm of your hand. But, okay, so there it is. So, let's put it in the palm of our hand and activate it. I really don't smell nothing. And I dropped everything in my box. Of course, I had to drop it all. It's just, I don't see nothing else. Okay, hopefully nothing is like hiding or anything like that. So here this is. We got the La Roche-posay. It's a Limp Care Balm Intense. It's AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 flow ounces. This is good for 6 months. Most skincares are only good for 6 months. I'm going to set that up. Okay. So I do believe this is a sample size because it seems like I've got this before. This is probiotic thermal water. It didn't say that on the box there. Okay, this one's, okay, it's probiotic, thermal water. It's, like, it is a little thinner. Normally, most of their stuff is, like, really thick. I don't really smell nothing. They are a really good brand, and especially if you're having, like, if you have, like, bad skin anyway, especially, like, you know, for the people that gets the bumps or the breakouts all the time, this stuff right here is really good for it, and it really does help. Okay. Verso. I don't think I've used anything by Verso. This is a super eye serum with retinol aid. I do like retinol, especially like a good night retinol cream. Helps get them fine lines and stuff. This is number 5, Verso Skincare Stockholm. Firming and smoothing eye serum with retinol aid. And it is 20 milliliters, which is 0.767 flow ounces. Okay. So that's what it looks like. If you haven't used a lot of retinol, it is best to start off easy. Like maybe twice a week and build yourself to like 3 a week, 4 times a week. And it really doesn't have much of a smell, like just plain lotion. Okay, then we got a nail polish, and Static Nails is who it's by. It's right down here at the bottom. To me, I don't know if this is really like a full-size bottle of nail polish. My little ones are like this, but I guess it could be. It's probably like 7. I don't know how many ounces this is, but it is 12 milliliters. So yeah, it's about a full-size bottle. It is a really pretty color. And my hands are too slick to open it. I can't get it. It is a beautiful color, though. It's like... Wow. It's on there, like, really good. But it is a pretty color. It's like a really... like a color you could wear about every day. Okay. Then, we got a Hydrating Collagen Eye Pad. Williams Scottman European Skincare. It's a Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. Hydrating booster for eye contour area. You get 1 pair. I like a good eye mask. And then we got Dr. Jart Plus. This is the Cremina Cream. It's to moisturize, retention shield. So it's just like a hydration. Apply to the entire face, evenly to retain healthy, hydrated skin. We are getting 10 milliliters, 0.33 flow ounces. And it is good for probably 6 months. I can't see it. It's like really little. Okay. So it's like got this like a little peachy color going on. I don't really have nothing's really got a smell today. But it feels like really, really good. It feels like my fingertips are already hydrated. Okay, then we have Native Fig by Pure Mix, Rusk Pure Mix. We got a shampoo and a conditioner. It's supposed to hydrate. We're getting 10 milliliters, 3.4 flow ounces. It's enough probably for like one time. Maybe the shampoo I can get twice out of it, but I don't know. Conditioner, I always use like little, like one-time deal. They are cruelty-free. Right there's the little bunny somewhere. So I do like that. Okay, so I think I picked everything up on the floor, unless it went under my seat. Oh, no, I didn't. We have one more item, and it is by Sigma. This is their liquid lipstick. It is 0.05 ounces and 1.4 grams. And it is in the color Venom. So it's like a pinkish red. Kind of looks red. Let's swatch it. Oh, it is red. So there it is. It's got a really nice Adofa on it. I'm trying to think if I want to try it on because I really like the lipstick I got, but I can change it. Okay. You would think that I'd have a mirror handy. So we'll see what it looks like. I'm just going, this is like Orpha, and it's dried down matte. So I'm just going to leave that on and just put this right over top of it. I like it so far. I like how they already had like brown on and it's looking like a lip liner. Which reds is kind of funny. Every time, I was telling my husband the other day, we went to go somewhere and I had put on red lipstick. But, you know, you gotta wear a mask and all this stuff. And I don't know. It's like I can wear red here at the house and I'm just fine and I don't mess it up. But once I'm going somewhere and I put red on, you can guarantee that somewhere down the line, something's going to go wrong. I do think this would be a 2-coat because I don't know if you guys can see the brown's kind of poking through. Yeah, like, I don't know. It needs another coat. And lip liner. Because red is just like it. But it is drying down pretty fast. Okay, I like it. Okay. Ooh, I've already spilled that. Okay, so this month, I was trying to keep everything laid out here. Okay, so normally we get like 6 products for like $15. And let me see. Make sure I got everything. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so this month we got 8. I know this is not a full size because I buy lipsticks all the time. Now, this being an eye cream, I'm currently going to say this is a full-size product. And I'm going to say this is probably a full-size product. I'm not sure because I don't know. And this is probably a full-size product, but it is a nail polish. Okay. So I got to find the cap. This right here is retailed, the new company, for $70. And it probably is full size. Here is a picture of it. Okay. And the Verso Super Eye Serum is retailed at $55. Okay, the nail polish that I cannot get open. Hey, honey, can you open this? I really want to see what it looks like on my nail. It is retailed for $16. I don't know if they got sent the same color to everyone. This one up here is like more pinkish than what mine is. And I don't think this is full size either. No. The full size would be more like 50 milliliters. And we ended up getting like 10 milliliters. So we only got like a tenth of it or something. And it's retailed for $48 if you get the full size. Let's go ahead and swatch this nail polish. I do like the brush on it. I'm very funny about brushes on nail polish because they're if they're not made right to me, they just don't work right. So it's like a very like nudie color. I got like way too much on. And there it is. It's almost like my skin tone. But it is very pretty. I could see myself wearing that. So I do like it. And it was retailed for $16. I don't know how fast it dries or anything, but I do like it. Okay. And, okay. And I knew the Sigma lipstick was not full size. If you do get the full size, it is $20. It's in a bigger tube. And, okay, and I knew this wasn't full size when I seen it. It does retail, you get 400 milliliters. We got 15 milliliters, so like that's a way different. For $20, $19.99, might as well say $20, and it comes in a big pump. Okay, so the eye mask, they're $18 for 5 applicators, so this is just one piece of, like you're missing 4 sets. So, but they're $18 for a box of them. And a bonus item is the Rust Pure Mix. So that was 8 items this month. You know, we really didn't get a lot, like maybe these 2 being full size and this, but that was it. And I guess that is it. I will leave the link down below for Allure Beauty Box if you'd like to try it for yourself. I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to go try to straighten my hair. Yesterday was my birthday, and I didn't really want to mess with my hair too much, so I went ahead and just let it go curly, and I threw some of my kids' gel in it, and because he's got like really curly hair, and I don't know, I don't like, my hair looked like, I don't know, when I blow dried it, it was like beautiful and stuff, but I like my hair straight. I don't know, I just do. But once I let the curls, if I don't get rid of the curls early in the morning, it's very hard to do anything with. I don't know. I'm going to try to get the curls out today, and I know it's going to be hard to do. I let it go curly one time, and it'll probably take me like 2 weeks to get it to stay straight all day long. But I guess that is it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.